Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to make another Instagram account. Now this is quite a simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. Now once you're here in your Instagram profile, you can long press on your profile picture right here on the bottom right corner to get this option where you can add an Instagram account. Just click on this button, click on create new account, and once you do this, you can put in a username for the new account that you're going to create. Once you're happy with the username and it has come out as a unique username, you can go ahead and click on next, and then you can go ahead and click on continue where it will add it to your Meta accounts. Once you click on continue, click on allow and continue. And once you do this, you can complete the sign up process, which involves a few other steps and details that you will have to add in order to complete your account. And yeah, for the sake of this video, I'll be skipping a few of these steps, and then it comes down to putting your password. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We have now successfully created a new Instagram account. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.